it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video we're going to make a gorgeous summer sunflower wreath. I love sunflower wreaths because they are the perfect summer wreath, but they transition so well into fall. They are the perfect little in-between wreath. If you're excited, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. So let's get into the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a grapevine. I'm using a 14-inch grapevine. You're going to need some hot glue and a hot glue gun and some wire cutters, and everything is linked in the description below this video for the hot glue gun, and things like that. And then I'm using some white sunflowers. They're so pretty. I love them. They're not that bright yellow. They're more of a neutral sunflower, which I love. So I have a bunch of those. And then I have just some random wildflowers like these daisies. I think they look so pretty with the sunflower. And then a couple types of greenery. And then I have some ficus, billy balls. I've actually already cleaned up this grapevine, so I'm going to go right into the next step. So the first thing I'm going to do is put our greenery base on. Everything in here is from Michael's, in case you're wondering. So what I do for my greenery base, this is going to be a wreath that has the flowers and greenery just on the bottom part. So I'm going to hot glue the stem, put it kind of on the outside and toward the middle. Might need some floral wire. Twisting that on the back. And then we're going to put one on the other side over here. And then the rest are going to go in the middle. I'm going to actually cut this up even more so I can have some going up in the middle and then some going out this way. Okay, now we have our lovely greenery base. Now we're going to add our second greenery. I love this because the colors are similar, but the texture is very different. So I'm just going to add these around the wreath, keeping that shape. I love these because it adds such a ferny wildflower look, or I guess they're not flowers, but they're so pretty. I'm actually going to cut these in half so that I can have the shorter ones pointing up here a little bit, and then some of the other ones pointing down. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to cut half of it. And since these can slide, they can slide off really easily once you've cut it. I just like to add a little bit of glue there so it doesn't slide off. And then I'll add my glue to the stem. So these have kind of thick stems, so I'm going to actually cut them at an angle so that the stem can be a little pointier. It'll make it go in a little bit easier. Oops. Now I'm going to add in some of the daisies, to add in a little bit of yellow and some more greenery. This actually has some other fun leaves with it, so I might use those as well. I'm going to save them for now. They're pretty cute. I'm going to move these apart so that I can evenly distribute it in other parts, because I need some down here and I would like to have one over here. I just have 2 of these left, so I'm going to just use them on this wreath because they go really well with it, I think, and they add that really pretty color and texture that makes this look so pretty. Oh, I found another flower. I'll put that right here. I'm going to add in a few billy balls to bring out some of that yellow, which is so pretty in the summer. I like to have kind of long stems when I'm working with a wreath like this because they can really stick out far. That's why I struggled with these flowers, because the stems were a little bit short. That's so pretty. And I might just add in a few of these since I have them. This is a great way to keep your wreath room or your wreath area clean, is just by using up these little pieces that come in with your flowers, since they go really well together. So I think I'll do the long stems first. Let's see. I like how it just fills in this space over here. Looks nice and bushy. And then I'm going to add in some greenery here and then one at the bottom. There it is. There is our finished wreath. How cute is this? This is such a fun wreath for summer. I love it so much. And it'll just take you in also into early fall, which I love. If you like this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And I have a whole playlist of summer wreaths if you want more ideas, or if you're starting to get into fall, I have a playlist for those too. So don't forget to check those out. I will leave them linked in the description below.